Bitcoin just dropped below $110,000 again. We had a trial of a breakout. Yesterday we went up to $111,000, and I already mentioned in my video yesterday, it's patience time. It's not the time to jump into a trade. I would definitely like to see the confirmation of the breakout first, and we might get this confirmation soon. Let's see. It looks like we are now retracing again. We tried to pump above 112,000. Bitcoin didn't manage to, and now we are retracing down again, and we might go for a confirmation of a breakout, or we might turn this zone right here into a support zone. As we can see it here, this zone, we might turn it into a support zone and have a bounce from there. We can see Bitcoin tried to have a bounce from here. We pumped back up and tested the $10,000 resistance, the $110,000 resistance, and as we can see, we didn't manage to hold it. That's why we have to be quite careful with our trades. That's why I didn't open any huge positions yet. I'm still waiting for the right setup. It's very important in crypto. Don't chase pumps. Always trade according to your trading strategy. If you're doing that, you are more likely to become a profitable trader. So there are losing traders, break-even trader, and then there are profitable traders. Everybody has to go through these three stages. First, you're gonna be a losing trader, then you're gonna be a break-even trader, and then you will be a profitable trader if you manage to control your emotions and stick to your trading strategy. That's definitely very important right now. For now, I was waiting for the past couple of days, and I already mentioned in my previous videos where I will like to open some trades. For Bitcoin, it would be somewhere around this zone right here. We can see somewhere in this zone I would like to open a trade for Bitcoin. I think we will definitely have a bounce from the $103,000 area and create a double bottom formation and then move back to the upside. I think the market is still a little bit uncertain. Let's see what will happen this week. There is still the rumor of a interest rate cut, which might bring some new and fresh liquidity back into the crypto markets. There are also rumors that it will be a 50 basis points rate cut. That would be massively bullish, and if that will happen, I expect Bitcoin to definitely go back to the $120,000 area after that. But now let's see what are the technicals telling us. For now, we can see we are going back down again here. I think we will either touch the 106, find support there. If not, we will definitely test this zone right here, as I've been mentioning, and that's where I want to open some juicy swing trade positions. We can see it here on the 4-hourly RSI. We are not oversold yet, so it's still patience time if you want to open a long trade. Let's check the 1-hourly. On the 1-hourly, we can see the moment we hit here oversold zone on the RSI, we basically had a nice pump. So you can also trade this small moves right here. Let's say once it goes into the oversold zone, you can go long on the 1-hourly, and once it goes up, you can move your stop loss into the profit zone. Like that, you will not lose any capital. That's very, very important. Most important rule, don't lose money. Second most important rule is don't lose money. Always protect your capital, guys. Now let's go over and take a look here at Ethereum as well. Below $3,900, I already mentioned it in my video on Sunday. I don't think we will stay for a long time above $4,000, and as we can see it here, this resistance line was strong enough that we got rejected to the downside. Now let's see what's gonna happen here. We will either test this breakout support line, find a good support there and have a bounce back, or we will break through and still touch the $3,400 I would like to see. That's where I would open a very, very juicy swing trade if we will manage to go to this zone right here. That's where I'm definitely going to open up very, very juicy swing trade position. I think it's a very good time. Ethereum also got oversold on the 1 hourly. Let's see on the 4 hourly, not yet oversold, so it's still waiting time. Don't chase any trades right now. Besides that, let's see how the altcoins are doing, and we can see Ethereum down 4%, Doge down 3%, Solana down 4%, Link down 5.9%, even though we did 10% profits, or not profit, 10% move to the upside yesterday, and now we're back down 6%. So you can see the market pumps for 1 day and then goes down for 3 days. So now it's not time to open some massive longs. I would rather just stay on the sidelines and wait for the right opportunity. With that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits, and see you all again next time.